Rightio, so many jobs to do. I've just laid everything out here, and just to give you an idea of what's going on. Now, if you remember in the last video, I was waiting for the brackets to come from South Africa for the side mirrors. Well, here they are. They've finally arrived, and the only dilemma I've got is, if you have a look, they've got these oblong holes in them. Now, if anyone can tell me, this is the bit that's got to go, and I'll just show you here. It's got to go in between there, so it sits like that. How do I get this off? Because it's sort of well and truly embedded in there, and same on this side. Wonder if I can knock it through. Don't know, but if someone can tell me, that would be great. Okay, so that's the first thing. Right, another thing I've bought is I've now got new light lenses for the indicator lights on the front. This is for the Autovilla. I've got the new eyebrows for the front, because the ones that are on it are a bit faded and not that good actually. So I've got that. One thing I'm also going to put in is a tyre safety gadget here, which is a reader that sits in the front of your vehicle up on the dash, and it will give you the tyre pressures from your tyres, and it has other bits in it. Yeah, there we go. All the different gadgets that go onto your tyre. We'll cover that another day. That's going to be further down the track, along with this one, which is also I think this is camera from memory. What's that there? That looks like that's a camera thing. What do they call them? Dash cam. That's it. So there's a dash cam there, but also there's another one in here. So I'm not sure exactly why I've got so many of these dash cam things, but anyway, we'll install some of those as well. So maybe one to go in each combi, or I don't know yet. I'm undecided. So anyway, another project that I've got also is these tags. Now, I did have a more expensive GPS tracker, and they were costing about they were costing about $400 each or something, and then you had monitoring on top, which was about another, and it was through a US company, and it was going to cost another $30 or $40 a year or something subscription. And I thought, that's a lot of money for that sort of thing. So I've gone to the other end of the scale, and I've got these little tracking tabs. You've probably seen them. And I thought I'd give them a go. And I've already installed one on, what's this? One on the Caravan. I've also installed one on the Combi. I've installed one in that one. And I've also installed one in the Autovilla, and you use the Find My app, Find My app, and install that, and have these, and I found them absolutely incredible. They work very, very well, and they have a battery that you just need to replace. I don't know how long, depends how many times you call it up, but probably well over a year or something. And standard CR, I think it's a 2032 battery that are in them. And yeah, you can just replace that and they keep on going. No monthly subscriptions, and these were dead cheap. I mean, I think these ones here from memory were just under $6. So yeah, and you can get them in black or you can get them in white. But I've just gone for black for the whole lot because, well, except for one, I think. But yeah, I'm going to give these a real good go. Now I've had the one in the Autovilla installed. I installed that. You just put it wherever you want to hide it because it's standalone. And I've had it for about, just trying to think now, maybe a couple of months. And it's working very well. And long distance, like for instance, we're about roughly, say in a straight line, probably say about 20 kilometers away from the Autovilla, and it's fine. Picks up straight away. And yeah, found that really good. So these are jobs I've got to get onto. So the first one I'm going to do is finish off with these tags because I'm putting one in the Chev as well. So I've got one in the caravan, one in the combi, one in the Chev, one in the Autovilla, and so on. And we're also going to try it out on the dog because these tags are so light. I'll just open it up and show you. Yeah, so these tags are so light. That's all they are. And they virtually weigh nothing. There's a little plastic, I don't know where you can see it, but there's a little plastic tab on there. There it is, just below my chin. See that? You pull that and it activates the battery. And once because you've already downloaded the Find My Hub, once you pull that tag, it automatically finds this on that app and you just name it, whatever you want to name it. And away you go. Simple. Very, very simple. You also get a little tool that comes with it. Little tool so you can prise it open to replace the battery. Also you get what's this? This is a scan to watch the operation tutorial. Okay, so you've got a little barcode thing here which you can scan, and also you've got your instructions as well. So yeah, you can't really go wrong with it. It is so simple to install, and you can use them for anything like your pets, put it on your keys, anything at all. But I mean, I'm in the garage down here, and about 20-30 kilometers away I can actually see the location of my vehicle. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. So we'll check it out a bit later on, maybe further down the track around Christmas time, see how they're performing. But yeah, really impressed. Well, not much to report on the Autovilla because it's still away at the mechanics. They're doing quite a bit of work on it. They're doing the brakes, the steering, ball joints, attending to the engine, new battery, all this sort of thing. So I don't want to invade them while they're doing all this work. Gosh, that sun again is in my face. So I'm leaving them well alone. They have been in contact with me. They've given me a call and said that, and they gave me an update of what's going on. And asked me to call them back at the end of the week. So I will do that, and we'll see how far we get and if there's any news. So that's about it for this week. Just like me, short and sweet. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.